Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about Hansa Jivraj Mehta. She was born on 3rd of July 1897 in Surat in a Nagar Brahmin family. She studied in all girls high school. She graduated with philosophy in 1918. She studied journalism and sociology in England. She also went to United States to visit institutions for higher education where she learned about women's education in America. She was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Bombay on Congress party ticket. She was elected to the Fundamental Subcommittee of Constitution Assembly of India. She spoke on various issues, like her demand was to make the directive principles of state policy fundamental. She also participated in discussion on Hindu Code Bill. She believed that uniform civil code was necessary to build up one nation. She expressed her regret that the evolution of Parda system could not be included in the fundamental rights. She presented national flag to the nation on behalf of women of India. So I'll just read what she said at that time. This is on 14th of August 1947. Quote, Mr. President, Sir, in the absence of Srimati Sarojini Naidu, it is my proud privilege on behalf of the women of India to present this flag to the nation through you. It is in the fitness of things that this first flag that will fly over this august house should be a gift from the women of India. Unquote. So this is how she presented the flag on behalf of a woman. Further, she had various other contributions. She was Indian delegate to the United Nations Human Rights Commission and played a very important role in changing the phrase of the article of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which initially said, all men are born free and equal. She suggested, all human beings are born free and equal, which was accepted. She was Vice Chancellor of Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thakursi Women's University. It is a very proud thing for us to know that United Nations holds a discussion series in her name, that is Dr. Hansa Mehta Dialogue. She passed away on 4th of April 1995. We are grateful for her contribution in making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.